Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the common questions in beading. And that is, what's the difference between simply crossing your fishing line through a bead and crossing it with knots? So first up, crossing the fishing line directly through the beads like this is super simple. This is the one without making a knot. Just simply cross the beads and you're done. See? So this is great when you're in a hurry or need a sleek look without extra bulk, but it doesn't hold the bead in place so securely. And now, when you add knots before crossing it to the bead, it's a bit more time consuming, but it makes the bead feel more secure and steady. Okay. Unlike the simpler method, this won't look soft or loose, making it perfect for projects where you need each bead to stay firmly in place. I'm gonna show you one more time how to do the step with knots before crossing. Okay, take this last bead, take this bead, and take this and add it to this bead to make a knot. Okay, and cross. And done. Okay, so this is the one with just crossing method. Look, it's wavy and soft. Unlike this one is flatter and steady. If you do this, it's just gonna stay like this. And if you do that to this one, nah. It looks weird. See? I prefer to use this method because I want my project to be more secure and steady and flat like this one. So I prefer to use the method with making a knot before crossing it to the beads. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite method. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.